Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unsplit clips in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Want2Share Filmora application from the official website. Now when you did that, you just need to go and download then go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And we also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen options. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and unsplit clips in Filmora. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, what you need to do is go and get a video and drag it and drop it inside of Filmora. When you do that, you just need to again go drag it and drop it inside here, where we can go and firstly go and cut the video to see how we can unsplit it. Basically, what you need to do to cut the video is click Ctrl B or click on the scissor split here, as you can see on the screen. Now we're gonna go and cut another video, and here we can go and split the video using 3. How we can go and unsplit them: select the videos, click right click, and click close gap. We can do the same thing with these two, click and click close gap. And then we can go, if you want multiple, select all of them, click close gap, and that's how you can do it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.